Hey everybody, we're on our way out to the blowdown patch. Got the old GoPro going. Yeah, we're just gonna go out here and cut a little bit more firewood, restock the Spirit Fire wood stack. It's not gone by any means, but I just like to keep it stocked up, and right now I just want to try out the GoPro. We got one of the new swivel type mounts. It's an aftermarket mount of some kind, but it seems to work. So when we get up here a little ways, we'll get a little change of scenery, get it off my old ugly mug. And can't see a whole lot. It's kind of foggy today, but seems like a pretty nice day to go out and cut something. So that's what we're gonna do. Hope everybody oh, I hope everybody's having a really awesome day and having a great week so far. We'll get to the top of this little hill here, and we'll swivel you around. It might make a little bit of ratcheting noise or something, but that's all right, right? Okay, here we go. Now we'll see how the picture looks. We'll move you up a little bit. There we go. That's pretty darn handy. Pretty handy dandy. Yeah, I wish I could get a good shot or a good picture or something to put in perspective of how much blowdown is actually in this area that we've been cutting out of. It's pretty. There's a lot. That's what I can say about it. There's a lot of it. I'm just on the very edge of it, right off the county road. So that's where we're at with that anyway. Okay, well, thanks for joining me this far. We'll see you at the blowdown patch. More blowdown all up there. All over up there. It's crazy. More dead standing right there. Now we'll try to get them rolled down the hill. Cut them up at the road instead of slinging them. Hopefully not too much snow sticks to them. The first one, snow kind of stuck to it, so we'll see. If it happens, oh well. Score! Oh, made it through. Bingo! at that beauty. 100% heart. Douglas fir, heartwood. And oh my, does it ever smell good. Yes, I have my smell back and my taste. Oh, goodness sakes. That one goes right up top. That one wasn't as clean. But look why. Look at why that one didn't come out as clean. That big old knot. See that? Oh, isn't that just beautiful? For anybody out there that's watching this that's never seen Douglas fir, this is a prime specimen. If you're ever out in the woods, and you can get to the center of this piece of wood, green or not, this is going to burn if you can get it split up. It's just totally coated with pitch between the sapwood and the heartwood. Sapwood, pitch runs right here. You can see it. And boy, does it smell good. Thank you, everyone, for hanging out. Hope you enjoy the content, and I hope it helps somebody, whether it's little tips and tricks here and there on how on getting firewood, cutting firewood, splitting firewood, things to look for, things to watch out for, or even just a smile. Because in all reality, that's why I'm here. Is happiness, and to put smiles on people's faces, even if it's just for a millisecond, to have some joy in life. I hope that's what I hope for in every one of my videos. I know sometimes I get serious and whatever, you know, but those that know, you know that I'm all into laughing. I love laughing, and I love making other people laugh. I've done it my whole life. Class clown, call it whatever you want to call it. That was me. That was me. In school, out of school, didn't matter. Did not matter. Somewhere along my journey, I lost that. I lost it with the use of substances that altered my brain. I missed out on a lot of my life. Well, here I am. I'm back, and I'm here to laugh, and I'm here to put smiles on people's face. I'm here to run chainsaws. I'm here to split wood the way that I've done it. I'm 50 years old. I've been cutting wood. I've been cutting firewood. I've been in and out of the woods, Forest Service, logging, whatever. I've been in and out of the woods throughout my whole life, throughout my whole working career. It's where I started. And like I said, I'm 50 years old. Yep, absolutely. I'm always up for learning. I'm always learning, no doubt about it. But there are things that I'm going to do until I can't do them anymore. The same way that I did, the same way that I started out, doing them when I was 14, 15 years old, cutting firewood for my mom with my brother and with my mom. And all the friends out there that ever helped with my mom's firewood. If you're watching this, I appreciate it a ton. Still to this day. We put a lot of wood out there at my mom's place. We put a lot of wood in a lot of people's wood sheds. But right now, I want to thank everybody, all the new subscribers, all the old subscribers, everybody that watches any of this video. Thank you very much. And just know that we love you. The Taz fam loves you. No doubt about it. All of you. Every one of you. So I hope everybody has a great day. Take care. Be safe. TazMan is rolling. Let's do this. You read that? Unleash the beast. The kind beast. Roll on, Tasmaniacs.